Hello viewers, once again welcome back to the Guitar Trainer channel. Today's lesson we are going to learn about the notes on the fourth string. Already we completed notes on 3 strings in the previous lessons. So we are going to start learning the notes on the fourth string. The first note which comes on the fourth string on open string is D. Name of the note is D, and how it is written on the stave line. It is written just below the stave line. It is not on any of the line or on the space. Already we had lessons how to read the notes on the stave lines and all. Those who have not yet done those lessons, please go back and visit those lessons and come back. It will be easy for you. So this note open string, fourth string open D, is written just below the stave line. For playing this note, you don't have to touch anywhere on the string, just hit the open string. Just hit the open string, you will get the note D. The next note which you are going to play on the fourth string is the second fret. On the fourth string second fret, you have the note E. Where it is written on the stave line, it is written on the first line. Easy to identify this note. Note which is written on the first line is E. Where it comes on the fourth string second fret. Put your second finger, for second fret you have to use your second finger, press it and hit the note, so you will get the note E. The next third note is F. F comes on the fourth string third fret, and where it is written on the stave line, it is written on the first space. Notes on the spaces are F, A, C, E. So note which comes on the first space is F. Easy to identify all these 3 notes. It comes D note, open string D note comes just below the stave line. E note comes on the first line. F note comes on the first space. Let's do a small exercise using these 3 notes, and we'll go and try a new song. Here the notes I have written is only the notes which come on the fourth string. D, E, D, E, F, E, F, E, D, E, F, E, D. Written in 4/4 time signature. Let's play and check. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, E, D, E, F, E, F, E, D, E, F, E, D, 2, 3, 4. So now we'll add this note in a song and we'll play and check. Name of the song is Worried Man Blues. It is a famous traditional song. Before playing the song, let's see what all notes are used for this song and how it is composed. Along with that, they are also introducing a new technique which is called as using pickup note. The song is starting using a pickup note. Earlier what all we practiced, we'll start like, if the time signature is 4/4, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the next bar, beginning first bar, count number 1, we'll start the song. But here it is not like that. See, in this beginning there is no 4 counts. The time signature is 4/4, but here you can see only 1 note here. So this is not a full bar. So this is not counted as the first bar of the piece. So it's just before the start. So this kind of start is called as pickup note. Theoretical name we call it as anacrusis or upbeat. But while playing, you can just call it as the song starts with a pickup note. So it goes like this. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and on count number 4 you have to hit the note D. And then if any song starts like this, this counting will be adjusted in the end last bar. See here you are having only a dotted minim. Actually 4/4 means there must be 4 crochet beats. No, in other bars and all you can see 4/4 crochet beats, 2 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. But in this bar only 3 counts are there, dotted minimum G. So this bar has only 3 counts. So what happened to the remaining 1 count? It is like it is adjusted with the beginning note. So this kind of start is called as starting the song with a pickup note. So you have to start like this: 1, 2, say that counting 1, 2, 3. On count number 4 you have to start the hit the note D and you have to start. So now I'll count and show you, name the notes, and I'll show you how the notes has to be played. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. D, 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 E, G, 2, 3. A, B, 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 A, G, 2, 3. G, E, 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 G, G, 2, 3. E, G, 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 E, D, 2, 3. D, 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 E, G, 2, 3. A, B, 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 A, G, 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 A, 2, A, 4, A, 2, A, P, A, G, E, G, 2, 3. Now let's play and check how the song sounds. We know that the song starts with the pickup note. Follow me and see where I am starting. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. D, 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 E, G, 2, 3. A, B, 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 A, G, 2, 3. E, G, G, 2, 3. E, G, 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 E, D, 2, 3. E, D, 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 E, G, 2, 3. A, B, 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 A, G, 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 A, 2, A, 4, A, 2. 2, 3. Now let's try this song little faster and see how it sounds. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. So we played a song using 4 string notes. We used all the 4 string notes and we played a song. But this only is not enough for your guitar practice. You have to play and check few more songs. In the beginning of our classes, I introduced a book which is called as Hal Leonard Guitar Method book. You can buy that, and so that you can practice few more songs which is given in the book. So that will be good for your practice. I'll put a JPG file of this song in the description. You can click the link and you can download and you can practice the song. For other songs you have to buy the book and you have to play. Okay, I hope that you all enjoyed this lesson. Those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. We are doing it very slowly by learning by one string, one by one, first string, second string, third string, fourth string, like that. After finishing the remaining 2 strings, fifth string, sixth string and all, then we'll do little intermediate level lessons and advanced level lessons and all we are going to do. Those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and wait for those lessons. Until then, bye.